The idea is to ensure that in our own state we are having proper implementation of that, and we have to maintain the requisite standard. I mean, we have to move towards international standards, and our quality of service through the agencies, it should not fall wayside. It has to be top notch, and the standard has to be excellent. And just now I saw the equipments also which is being placed here. Some of the equipments are very latest. I am very delighted to see them. In fact, so many DFMD varieties are here, and they are very costly devices, because being in police I have seen all of them. In fact, one or two models are very recent types. So I am very pleased to see that you are also exposed to this kind of equipment, so that you are keeping yourself abreast of the latest developments, latest technology around. And once you train it, it gives you confidence. And after training also, you will be able to see how your men are also trained. So that gives confidence to your men also. They can handle the situation better. And just now I was told that the training is such that you can also handle national disasters. Disaster of any kind. It's not only just frisking the body, checking with HHMD, and DFMD, other things, but you are equipped to handle so many disasters. I am very delighted to know, because when disaster really befalls us, we don't know whom to approach. So I think that time you people can be very handy. And just now I told Bhaskar Reddy Garu told me that they are also giving some men during Ganesh Nimajjanam. So people will see your performance, that how security guard people are managing the things, how much alert they are. They start comparing them with the policemen. What is their standard, level of standards. So this sort of generates confidence in the public, and then public will start asking for you. This is how your business also runs. The part of training which you are being imparted today, I think this will really see you in good state along with your men. In police also it is being seen that the policemen, after getting the preliminary training, the training during probation time, if they are not given training, a refresher course within first 4 or 5 years, then their training starts, their efficiency starts waning, and they get blunted unless and until you really train them regularly. So what my suggestion will be, this training part should be a regular show, regular occurrence. It should not stop at one go. And I believe this training facility will be of great use to the MDs of all the agencies, and in turn you will also educate your men. I think this will go a long way.